Hi, here's a decluttering challenge for you. These decluttering challenges are meant to be really simple. Simple is the name of the game. Doable, just take a few minutes and help you out when you're feeling stuck and unsure where to begin decluttering. So, how about you start with knickknacks? Anywhere in your house, living room, bedroom, bathroom, anywhere, it doesn't matter. But reevaluate the things that you have sitting on shelves and windowsills, end tables, coffee tables, wherever you set knickknacks, and ask yourself if they belong to you. That's the most important thing. Ask yourself if they belong to you because you don't want to get rid of other people's knickknacks and things that they love. But do you love that knickknack? Or was it given to you as a gift and it really isn't your style? Or it was handed down to you from someone that passed on and you feel guilty getting rid of it, but it makes you feel kind of when you look at it, you're not too excited about it. Let go of that guilt, let go of that fear. It's your house. You can decorate it the way that you want to. And chances are very slim that people are going to look for that knickknack when they come over. So think about that. Can you get rid of some knickknacks that belong to you and surround yourself with stuff that you love and that makes you feel great about your home? This is Jill Annis, the owner of Simply Organized. I'm your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert. And check out the link below because there's more information about how I can support you. Thank you so much for watching.